like my hair today. I look to the... Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So I have a... I'm gonna record right here. I am going to do my natural hair. I have not done a natural hairstyle since last spring. I think I'm just gonna put my hair in a protective style flat twist for now, because I don't really know what to do with it, and I want to keep it straight as long as possible, but I also don't want to keep it up in a bun, because that's, well, it's been a cuter bun than this, but I kind of give it to y'all real and raw, and this is me real and raw. So anyways, I've looked a little bit cuter than this, but not today. So I just wanted to record my what I'm gonna do, and I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but so this is my hair. So because my hair is like straight, I know I'm not gonna get that, like these like big juicy flat twists or anything like that. Yeah, I'm just doing this, you guys, just so that it's not down and not brushing up against my shoulders or anything like that, and it's protected. That's all I'm doing it for. I really do need a comb for a part. Ugh. All right, you have to use this little bitty baby thing. Sections 1, 2, 3, and 4, and now let's get started. Okay, I'm using all Design Essential products. I also do have the Design Essentials edge control, but I cannot find it. I don't know where it could be. It could be anywhere at this point. I'm using the Design Essentials Almond Avocado Daily Moisturizing Lotion. And then I'm also using the honey curl forming Custard with honey and chamomile. And then next I have the almond avocado curling cream. Why am I holding it up so high? Like, I can't see. And then, like I said, I do have the edge control, but I can't find it. So I have just my favorite Lotta Body edge control, and I have some castor oil as well. So as far as ingredients go, order goes, or anything like that, I don't really know. I don't have a clue if maybe I should just use the curling cream by itself, or should I just use the curl forming custard by itself. Should I pair them together? Should I not? I don't know. So I'm going to like do half and half, I think. So let's get started. Taking some, and I don't want to use too much product because I don't want to make my hair revert. I want to make it stay stretched as long as possible. So I just took, this may be too much. Let me wipe it on my sweatshirt. So I just took, don't judge me, some of that to like lightly, you know, glaze my hands, the lotion, and I'm really just gonna focus it there on my end. And you guys, I've had this, the Design Essentials the Daily Moisturizing Lotion since May or something like that. Maybe this summer. I don't know when. And I'm not the biggest fan of it. I don't hate it, but when it feels, I'm saying this because I just felt a major difference. It feels so much better on my hair straightened like this than it does whenever I just use it on my natural hair. When it's in its natural state, I feel like it doesn't soak up, it doesn't soften my hair, anything like that. and so I have a whole bottle of it. But using it like this, it feels good. Next, I'm gonna take the curl forming custard and maybe just like that much. Then a little bit of whatever you call this, edge control. Put perm rods at the ends, but I don't want to. Like so. Ta-da! Let's move on. Daddy, it's the same thing, Daddy.
Well, when I think of people braid, I think when they put, designs.
It's all the same.
No. Okay. Alright, go on do your hair.
That's all you wanted?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just want to see what Buddy was going to do, if he was going to say something or not.
That's right. You really just wanted him. Okay, he'll call y'all when he finished. I think he need his own phone.
He need his own phone?
Just kidding. Turn around. The back is not very good. Okay? Before I turn around, for y'all laugh at me. I know it's not. Turn around anyways. I don't know how to look, but I try. final look. So it's not perfect, but it's something, and I feel a little weird because I'm used to wearing wigs and having long hair, but yeah. But I think it's cute. Like, I think it'll do. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial video. I don't even know what to call it because I'm the last person to give a natural hair tutorial. I can wear this style under wigs, just like this, or whatever I want to do, and I'm all about hairstyles with my natural hair that I can wear like just my hair or under wigs as well. So this works. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments or anything, I can't breathe. If you have any questions or comments or anything, please put them down below. And that's it. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.